How's it going, everyone? My name's Sam. If you haven't checked out the channel before, I talk about finance. Usually I talk about stocks, but I've been talking about altcoins more recently. And today I want to talk about Elongate. Or Elongate, I should say. So, this is a really interesting crypto. I just heard about it over the last couple of days. I want to do a little bit of a look into it, show you what it is, what it's going to try to do, what kind of potential catalysts they have, and I'll be honest with you. I still have more research to do on this one, right? But this one is something that excites me. I mean, SafeMoon's something that excites me too, and I've been talking about it more. The thing is, though, we have to stop some misinformation. I'll be honest, I haven't seen all these YouTube videos out here on Elongate or however you want to pronounce it. But some people are talking about $1 price predictions. Some people are talking about massive pumps, 1000x coins, you know, anything that says $1 price prediction, totally unreasonable. So I'm just going to say that off the bat. I am all for altcoins going to the moon. But this one at 0.000000052 is not going to a dollar. Unless they do a reverse split, there's no way this is going to a dollar. Want to know why? Well, this is just to stop some misinformation, or again, like I said, I haven't watched all of these videos, so maybe they're just saying like other people are crazy, kind of like I'm doing. But you would have to 2 million X from here, so you would need to 2 million X to get up to a dollar, which would mean the market cap would have to go to like 10 trillion or 100 trillion. Actually, I think it's even higher than that. I think it's like a quadrillion, I think, is what it actually broke down to hit that market cap of a dollar per elongate. So right off the bat, I want to say that's unlikely, but we'll take a look at the chart, look at where it's going, look at the volume, talk about what the company does, what the project's doing. If you guys don't mind hitting the like button, I really appreciate that. It's 10:30 here, my time. I was actually drinking a beer and I got excited about this, so I wanted to talk about it real quick. So hitting the like button definitely helps. Also, there is a link down there in case you guys want to try out BlockFi. They're giving an interest rate actually up to 10% on some of their stablecoin, and then they give up to 6% on Bitcoin, and they give interest rates on a bunch of different cryptocurrencies and a bonus for signing up. So check that out down below. Also a link down there to Webull in case you want some free stocks, and you can trade some other cryptos now on there too. So Elongate is a company that's really gaining some traction here. So we have SafeMoon that blew up this last week, right? We saw it, pretty much 10x in terms of how many people are searching for it. We also have Elongate, which is starting to move up pretty significantly too. Just over the last couple of weeks, it's not got that exponential growth yet, but it has kind of the setup that we saw on SafeMoon. It's just like a week behind at this point. Now, I'm not saying that will continue, right? It probably depends on how quickly the coin goes up, because it did go up pretty significantly from when it opened, but we haven't seen quite the gains that we saw in SafeMoon, right? SafeMoon went up like 80x or 800x, something like that. This is up about 10x or so, maybe a little bit more than that. We see it here. So it's gone up a good amount, but not to the level that SafeMoon has gone up yet. But a lot of people are wondering about it. So what does the company actually do? Well, we can take a look here at their company website. It is after Elon Musk. So he tweeted back on March 25th, 2021, "If there's ever a scandal about me, please call it Elongate." So they went out, and a couple days later, they made this crypto. So we see here it started trading on the 8th, so just a couple weeks after this, and they made the coin. They launched their website and social media. They are trying to gain more recognition right now. At this point, that's the real step that they're trying to take now. They already launched their website. They're going to continue into phase 2 here soon. Now, of course, I'm still learning more about this. They're going to have a release of NFT Launchpad. We can go through all this. They're going to forge corporate partnerships, diversify into real-world use cases. We could go through this very significantly, but a lot of these different platforms have some type of phase 1, phase 2, phase 3 rollouts. And the thing is, they are diversifying into real world use cases down the line. They don't tell us exactly what that is here for phase 4 yet. So hopefully they have something already in their mind. Now, right off the bat, too, you should know that they are really trying to give back to the community. So they're opening the gate between crypto and charity, between or through passive transaction fees and active giving. We are exposing charitable causes to a world of untapped capital and the crypto audience to a world of good. So they're trying to give back, right? They are similar to SafeMoon in what they do. I believe it's a 10% transaction fee. They've burned here a ton of coins. I mean, I'm not even going to try to count that up. They've burned a ton of coins. They have a total supply of coins that's huge. They had the pre-sale allocation. So they are still trying to give back a lot of money, and they've been doing that. So about the company, they've had a lot of news recently, which we'll cover here too. So they began as a parody of Elon Musk's tweet, referencing the Watergate scandal. It has since ballooned into an active community with 100,000 holders, so about 1/10 the size of SafeMoon holders. In the first month, Elongate raised over $1 million for charity, and as we saw here, it is about a $500 million market cap. So shows you they are gaining some traction now. So that is good. They also put up the names of their dev team and of their company in general, which I think is good. I mean, it shows that they're willing to put their face out there. They're willing to talk about who is on the team. Now, they've been announcing news. They're gaining some traction on Twitter too. They've been giving a lot of money back. They tweeted a lot around April 21st, April 22nd, with Earth Day. So they did get back a decent amount. Now, in my mind, I'm still learning about this too. So I might make more videos if you guys like this. Let me know in the comments. But in my mind, if I'm investing, right, it's great to have some kind of charitable part of investing, but I'd rather control that. I mean, I'm not trying to be greedy here or anything, but I'd rather control when I donate than have some company that I'm investing in donate a lot of like the coin. So I believe some of it's burned and then some of it's given to charity when it's traded. And I'll have to do a little bit more research on that. I had it pulled up, but I don't have it pulled up right now. But they burn some, they give some to charity. Here you can see what they do here, how to buy it. You can check it out on their website too. It looks like it's still a difficult process, but I think like a lot of these small coins, they need to be added to more exchanges. Then it becomes more accessible to a lot of investors. Now, right off the bat, looking at their chart here, they haven't been around for a while. Obviously, with any of these coins, very risky. Let's just be honest. This is not a dividend stock. This is not a stock market investment where there's a company, there's revenues, there is a team behind it. So there's that, but it's not the same thing, right? A lot of people would say this is Fugazi. You invest money, you get a token, a digital token, but that's what crypto is. They're still up a significant amount from where they opened, right? So they're up about 6x, it looks like, since they opened, but they have come down from the highs. Now, they've come down pretty similar to a lot of other companies, a lot of other cryptos, I should say. They've come down about 50%. Now, we are seeing massive drops and massive buys. So with this one, it's still very volatile. I'm not as interested at this point in this coin because we haven't seen a resistance. We've just seen it fall a lot. We did have a good amount of volume here on Thursday, April 22nd. A big buy order. You can see a huge buy order, right? Almost all this came at one time. Someone bought probably maybe 9 figures worth of this crypto. So we saw a big buy here, and then, well, actually it should have been a little bit less. So maybe about 60 million here, because it went from about 12 million in volume to 76 million, just like that. So someone bought a significant amount. It's someone with a lot of money that's buying this crypto, probably someone in the crypto space, because I don't imagine a lot of people outside the crypto space are looking at coins like this. But we've seen the volume trail off a little bit. Now we might see some more volume over the weekend, but it's already Friday and we haven't seen much volume picking up here. So I'd wait to see some more resistance before I buy in. I'm also doing more support before I buy in. I'm also doing more research on the coin in general. You have to be careful with some of these smaller coins. I think there's still plenty of room to run in some of the typical altcoins that are like tens of billions of dollars, but I am interested in some of these too. So I want to hear your thoughts. Is this one that you're really interested in? Let me know down in the comments. I'm still learning so much about the altcoin space. I just want to bring to you what you want to hear and what is really interesting to me. And I think this is an interesting coin. It's been picking up a lot. A lot of people are asking about it and want to hear more about it. It's a meme with Elon, so it's kind of an interesting thing. Thank you guys so much for watching. I appreciate it. One of the possible catalysts too, I guess I should hit on, Elon Musk tweets about it. It's through the moon, or it's to the moon. It's probably through the moon at that point. It would go up significantly. Also, just being listed on more exchanges. So maybe we see it hit a support and then it comes up, or maybe we see a massive catalyst. Who knows? I mean, we have someone that's buying a significant amount of this at this point, and then we had some other people that were buying a decent amount here too to push it up. So thank you guys for watching. I appreciate it. Thank you for checking out the link down below to BlockFi and to Webull too, if you guys are interested in that. I would definitely do it. I mean, it helps out the channel a lot, and you guys can get some free money over the weekend. So great way to make some extra money, get some interest on your crypto, trade some stocks, or just get some free stocks and then sell them. Also, thank you for hitting subscribe if you're new to the channel, and I'll see you guys in the next video. Bye.